7 ways to easily start a business when you are broke. According to Dan Lok, the worst time to start a business is when you are broke. But then a Japanese proverb says that the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, and the second best time is now. So basically, there might never be a perfect time to start a business, or any endeavor for that matter. Can a business be started when there's no money? Emphatically, yes. Admittedly though, this is not the easiest route to take. However, it can be done, and we'll be sharing with you 7 strategies to help you start a business when you are broke. Do something for us before we dive in. Please smash the subscribe button, and while you're at it, the notification bell too, so YouTube tells you when we release more content that you'd enjoy. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's go to the sweet stuff. The first step you need to take when starting a business without money is 1. Have a plan. Irrespective of what you're doing, you should have a plan, or you'll be planning to fail. Your plan here is your business plan. This plan should contain a short description of your business, what your business is about, such as the services and products that you intend to offer. Next, this plan should include a budget, or more like a stock-taking of what you need, what you have and what you don't have. How much do you need and how much do you have? The other resources that you need, such as skills, time, potential customers, partners, you know, that sort of thing. Finally, what immediate actions are you going to take to get your business started? 2. Ask friends and family. This is usually the first point of call for most people, and it does make sense. Whether they believe in your idea or not, friends and family are more likely to give you a loan or even a cash gift. Make sure you take a record of all the loans you're taking so that you can pay them back as and when due. If you won't be able to pay back as at the agreed time, let them know also so that they can plan accordingly. Friends and family would also be more lenient if you default on your payment. However, make sure to pay up for future sake and because it might ruin the relationship if you don't. 3. Crowdfunding. This is quite new as a tool for raising money for your business. This involves you asking your contacts and your contacts' contacts to contribute financially to your project. This is usually done on social media. You set up an account on a crowdfunding platform and ask people to donate. This is not a very easy route. It could also affect your ego, but then it's an avenue to get the required funding if it works out. If your project interests a lot of people, you have a good chance of getting funding. If you are popular, or you could get an influential or popular person to endorse your business, this would astronomically increase your chances of getting money needed. 4. Look for what you can get for free. Perhaps before you even start to ask people for money, look for what you can get for free. Do you need that professional designer to do your graphics? How about you learn how to use free graphic tools such as Canva? You might not yet need a beautiful and responsive website with great UI UX yet. How about using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even WhatsApp for your marketing and advert? Admittedly, you might have to learn some skills, since you might not be able to pay for them. You could also consider borrowing tools or resources that you need instead of buying. You might even go online to check for free alternatives for some of the resources you need. 5. Apply for a loan. Microfinance banks, credits, and thrift societies are a good place to start when looking for a small loan for your business. Take advantage of banks of financial institutions that governments have created to provide funding for the industry you offer your services in. This could be a bank of agriculture, a bank of industry, or something for education. These institutions are more amenable to give loans to businesses in the industries they represent. This is because the government does earmark funds to help SMEs. Don't forget online lenders. It's easier to get loans from them as they don't have too many requirements, especially as compared to traditional banks. However, their interest rates are much higher, and of course, they might be unable to give you the amount you need. This is where the traditional banks come in. Would admit that it's not easy getting loans from them, but their interest rates sometimes can be friendly towards small businesses. 6. Look for grant opportunities. Getting grants, especially for your startup, might be difficult. One reason is there'll be a lot of people wanting what you want, and then the requirements are not always easy to fulfill. However, if you qualify, you could get really good money that you would run your business for a long time. Ask those who have been in business before you, former grant winners, and also check government databases. 7. Angel investors. Be prepared to do a lot of searching and a lot of pitching. These are individuals who put their money into your business. Usually, it's difficult to have them at startups. It's not impossible though. They ideally come in when it's time to scale. However, this investor would have to believe in what you're doing, perhaps be knowledgeable in it so that they can weigh the risk, and of course, you should have a solid business plan. The good thing about angel investors is that they also offer mentorship and could have contacts that could help increase your business reach. Of course, you'd have to split ownership of the business with them. We are sure that you have learned a thing or two from today's topic. So, to help other entrepreneurs or would-be business owners like you learn what you've just learned today, click on the like and share buttons. If you're yet to subscribe, go ahead and do that. There's more sweet stuff from where this came from. We look forward to seeing you next time. Your success matters.